love it.
Good morning guys! Today is the day. Mag-celebrate tayo ng birthday ni Mama. August 2 ngayon, pero birthday niya August 4. What I'm preparing right now is we have this small little fryer. Small na, little pa no? We have this fryer na pamprito ng spring rolls. Tapos ito, dito namin paprito yung turon namin. And then over here, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Parang sahog sa pansit. Inside, we have the Uncle Pinoy inasal. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman gaano ka juicy and smells good guys. Mamaya update ko pa kayo kung ano pa yung mga pinaprepare pa namin. So we just finished decorating. Si James yung nag-decorate na to sa entrance namin. Meron kayo makikitang ganyan. Yan. Magsi-celebrate kayo kasama kami. Sa entrance namin may mga balloons dito. Tsaka itong dalawang balloons sa mirror namin. Ito yung birthday celebrant natin guys. Nagre-ready pa. 18th birthday. Kapag pumasok kayo dito sa amin, have here our juice. Yan. Ito yung ice namin. And nakatakip pa yung mga ating handa kasi kulang pa yung mga bisita. Hinihintay pa natin. Si James lahat nag-design ng happy birthday na ganyan. Ito yung handa ni Mama. So meron kami spring rolls. Parang spring rolls na may gulay sa loob. Chicken inasal. Lotot sa Uncle Pinoy. Lechon belly. Beef caldereta. My mom's favorite, pansit. Itong cake na to ay galing kay ate.
May pa-card pa.
What does it say?
Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy your special day. I love you and miss you.
Mami.
From your beautiful daughter. Happy birthday.
Yan yung galing
love you na.
sa Dubai.
Love you. Thank you. Yung sa Qatar. So sweet.
Pero nakakapunta siya rito yung anak mo yan. At na tourist.
Oo. Wow, love it.
And the rose as well.
Yeah.
You have the rose. Tapos meron din kaming egg pie dito para sa dessert namin. Ito guys, ang cute tingnan. Dito sila magte-take ng mga pictures nila. Picture sila dito, ganyan. Shower muna ako kasi katatapos lang namin. Kanina pa kami.
Yeah.
Vlogger po ako, vlogger. Okay, dito po yung tingin notebook.
Ay,
Video.
Ewan balita na mo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay po.
February yung isa. Birthday girl.
Yes, February ka. Ikaw naman na. Bye-bye. Thank you. Wala na tayong pinag-uusapan sa ano.
Bye-bye, sir. Wala naman natin yan.
Thank you so much.
Long time no see.
Ay, kapwa ako na sister.
Kailangan sapatos.
Ay, no, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Pagkabalan mo? Ba? Tugal. Kami.
So yun guys, after ng mga ganapan na yun, hindi na ako nakapag-video, nakapagsalita sa camera kasi sobrang daming tao and we were really busy at the same time. Nahihiya na ako din ako mag-video. And ito yung nangyari. After nun, pinakita ko sa kanya yung aking last birthday gift to my mom. Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for all of the sacrifices, support, and love that you gave not only me and Date, but also us, your family. I may not say this to you every day, but you're the best. Best mom, best friend, best sister, and the best in everything. I am beyond blessed to even have the chance to call you my mom. Sometimes you may feel that all of your sacrifices are not seen, but trust me, ma. In the span of 3 years, I feel like I've seen it all. All those sleepless nights, thinking on how to make money just to provide something for us. I appreciate all of it. And thank you for making my life the easiest in my 21 years of existence in this world. Hopefully with this small little effort, ma, na me making a video for you, would give you a little bit of smile and make you forget all of the problems that you are having. Again, ma, happy 55th birthday. More to come, ma, and always remember na life starts at your 55th. I love you so much, ma, and hopefully you would enjoy this video.
Happy birthday, mother. Happy 55th birthday to the best mother in the world. The best mom, the best sister, and the best daughter anyone could ever ask for. And thank you, ma. Thank you for all the sacrifices for me and Gab. Even though you raised us on your own as a single mom, you still give us a beautiful life filled with love and strength. That's why growing up without a father was never an issue for us, because having you was more than enough. Kahit ikan dili, gawa mo nga para kaya kaming Gab, para dinan kaming magandang buhay. And thank you karang ganaganang bibiyang suporta kaya kami and karang family mo. And I hope one day soon na balo ko makabawi ko din kaya ka. Wish ko mo sana lagi kang healthy, lagi kang masaya, and more money. Thank you, ma. Thank you for everything. I miss you. Wishing you health, happiness, and sana ganaganang wish mo matupad. See you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Hello. Good morning. Ayla. Happy birthday. Kaliw ko na naman yung birthday mo. Sana nang dakal pang birthday yung datang kaya ka. Tsaka dakal ko pasalamat kaya ka niya nga syukukin. Pasantingin ka na akong aranasan ken. Pasantingin naman niya ito uling matwalo. O yan sana rogo. Inadwan ko kaya kayo. Birthday mo. Nagdagana ka pa ng babo, nakala birthday. Ampong ingatan nyo yung sarili nyo, kayo, yung anak mo po, James. Pabre mo po tang kaisipan ko nung muntak pa ken. Pero ala na akong dakalastan yan. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Love you so much. Tang, baby. Love you. Happy birthday na.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles.
Happy birthday, Miles. God bless you always. Many more birthdays to come, and good health for you and to your family. Happy birthday, Tita Miles.
Hello, Miles. August 4, it's your birthday. And wish ko kaya ka good health, more blessings. Ngunit balo mo naman, mapanyawag ka dun. Nakasalamat kayong sa akin kaya kami. Sino man may Andre, Apoy Arden, ngayon yung pamula ko ng Taya Qatar. And nakasalamat, miras kaming Magen, kaya miyay kiting London. Soon, sana makapunta kaya pang ma. Sabi kaya Anong sabi ko kaya manipong pamasahe. Anyway, it's your birthday, it's your day. So, happy birthday kaya ka. Good health and more blessings.
Happy 18th birthday, Tita Miles.
Enjoy your day po, God bless.
Sana nakakal ka pa followers sa pong likers kay Facebook, Tita Miles. Thank you, God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles. Happy birthday, Tita Miles. God bless and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Boom.
Tita Miles, happy birthday!
Enjoy special day mo.
Enjoy special day!
Have a healthy
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
More blessings to come.
More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Miles. Wishing you good health every
Happy
day.
birthday, Miles.
And importantly, more money come. Money, money, money.
Money, money, money.
Money will come more.
Money will come more.
And wish ko every day good health.
And good health.
And sana more birthday to come.
And sana birthday to come.
And dinanak ang Lord, madaming pera para marami ka pang matulungan.
Siksik-liglig umaapaw.
Siksik-liglig umaapaw ng mga pera. Happy birthday, we love you.
I love you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
See you.
See.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles. I wish you the very best birthday and you get what your heart desires. And of course, the best health and many more wishes to come in the future. Just for you.
And more money.
And more money, of course.
Okay.
Birthday, Ninang Miles. See you in London soon.
Wish you.
I wish you a happy birthday and I hope you have great health soon. Love you.
And I possibly to select you a picture so that you can go now. And I gonna build a heart for you, but it's too long. It looks like too long. And I got an idea.
You said you're gonna say happy birthday to Tita Miles? Okay, say it now.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles. I will see you in Los Angeles.
Huh? Really?
Yes.
And?
And good health and good surprise. And a good heart. And that's why I will get 100 subscribers for my channel.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Hi sis! Saying chukahe, happy birthday! I wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and thank you. Thank you for everything. King Panga generous mo. King gana sisi. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Birthday, Miles. More birthday to come. I love you. I love you.
Many more birthdays.
Yeah.
Hello guys, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana dakal pang blessing datang kaya ka kasi mag-bless na rin patag mo pamilya mo. Enjoy your day. I love you. Balo mo yan. Manong pukaki. Love you, Matt. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles! Have a great day! Enjoy your day! Ay, karakal ko sinabing day! Malamig!
Nasa London kami.
Nasa London Bridge kami. Happy birthday, guys! I love you!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Hi, Miles! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life. Good health, love, peace, and joy. Sana matupad na ng pangarap mo bago ko naman mag-anak ka karing pamilya and unahan mo din para keka. I love you, I miss you.
Happy birthday, Miles! I wish you all the best. I love you, Mama. Chup-chup!
Happy birthday, Miles! Stay sexy! Love you, Mama!
Okay. Happy birthday, girl! We miss you. Sana lagi kang sexy and healthy. I hope someday makikita mo. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Charap, 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 charap. Birthday, Pak! Wish you good health, more birthdays to come. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, madlang people! Mabuhay! Happy birthday, Sisi! Mas sexy ko kaya ka po bang malago. Happy birthday!
Ay, galing na.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miles. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Miles.
Happy birthday, Miles.
We love you.
Love you. Sending lots of love.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miles. Happy birthday to you. Wish, wish. How was your day?
Good.
Enjoyed? Guys, that's it for Mom's birthday. This is it for this vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. And thank you. Another memories na naman ng ating nailagay sa ating YouTube account. Again, this Edgab Lozano. Nag-iipon ng memories. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Happy birthday, ma.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Say peace.
Peace.
Cover it. Peace.
Happy birthday, Tita Miles.